Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to try and make Pastel De Nata with the puff pastry we made yesterday. And let's see how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell button to see our latest videos as they come out. What you'll need is 3/4 cup of milk, 3 egg yolks, half a cup of sugar, 2.5 tablespoons of water, 2.5 tablespoons of flour. So the initial thing we're going to do, we're going to mix our flour and our milk in a saucepan, stir it up nicely together until it's nice and thick consistency. Then we're going to take it off the stove, then we're going to let it cool down for a bit. Then we're going to stir in our sugar, water and eggs into it until it's nice and thick. Then we're going to pour it into our little tartlets that we got here and bake it in the oven for up to 12 minutes at 230 degrees Celsius. There you have it, some amazing Pastel De Nata. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button down below to see all the latest videos as they come out. So don't forget to try the recipe, comment below, let me know how it goes. Sweet guys, catch you next time.